see what else Norway has to offer. Come on, let's go. Baby, woo! Hey, we take photos. Woo! Automatic. All right, on to where are we going? Bergen. Bergen. On to Bergen, Norway. Let's do this. That's.
You think so?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So, I saw this waterfall over here. I had to pull over. You coming all the way up? So, we want to get this one waterfall that's right up here at this corner. I think the waterfall's on the other side. That big one. All right. So, we still got like, I'd say 2.5 hours worth of riding before we get to Bergen. But yeah, let's get back to it. Finally in Bergen, 13 hours from Oslo. We finally arrived. Let's go see what this city has to offer. So I walked all the way to the other side to pop the drone up, and I'm still in a no-fly zone. This whole city of Bergen, you can't fly a drone. Oh well, let's go. So it looks like today we came on a day that they have a running marathon. Oh, look, we got Mario over here. Hey, Luigi! All right, oh, coming up to the building.
That's what I'm gonna get.
I thought we were getting away from everybody, but it looks like we're walking more into the belly of the beast. I literally can't walk anywhere. And now, an uphill battle. Back to the ride. Go see them fjords. Hey. All right, that was Bergen. Now
on to the fjord.
Woo, let's go. You ready, Ma?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Alright, so I guess to get to the other side of the fjord, we have to go take a ferry ride. Don't know if it costs any money.
Of course it costs.
Yeah.
This is gonna be fun. On to the boat, the ferry. Here we go.
They're all behind us.
Alright. What is this?
What's this called? Okay, so it's a pancake with brown cheese inside. The boat people told me it's a mixture of brown sugar and cream? Butter? No, brown sugar and butter.
Oh,
Yeah. Oop. Almost dropped it. Brown cheese. The Norwegian brown cheese. Let's give it a taste. What was it called?
I ran inside because the pancake was really good, and it's called Sevelia.
Sevelia.
Sevelia, S-V-E-L-E.
Sevelia. Sevelia.
Sevelia.
Sevelia. Brown cheese. ride his bicycle up there. Off to our rental.
Where's that linen? I thought he was going to bring linen.
He might have it wrapped around his inside his coat. Where are we going?
Wow.
Look at him go. Hey.
400 meters.
Where is it?
This is so funny.
Where is it?
We're following him.
He said, oh my god.
That is, oh my goodness, where are we going? No camping, private. Where are we going?
Right there. These cabins. Hey there. You got plenty now.
Perfect. Perfect.
Oof.
This is what it looked like. What was that?
It's 5 in the morning. These mountains over here got the glaciers. One of the biggest in Norway, from what I was told, is right behind me. It's time to take some photos. You see how big these mosquitoes are? Holy cow.
Dear Nils, thank you so much for being such a wonderful host. Your kindness and family-like hospitality has made us love Norway that much more. The cabin is warm and beautiful. The landscape and fjords are awe-inspiring. We wish we could have stayed longer. Until next time. And there will be a next time.
All right. And that's a wrap, y'all. Woo!